How to make Microsoft Word selection behave like it would in a plain text editor. Whenever I select a section of text in MS Word, it automatically alters the selection to add or remove whitespace depending on the context of the selection. As a developer that works with plain text all day, I expect that when I place my cursor over a character and click/drag backwards to select a group of text, that the place I initially clicked will be the end of the selection. However, Word seems to insist that in some cases it must also select some trailing spaces and/or new line characters. How can I simply turn off all smart selection behavior? I have already deselected Select Entire Word when selecting text, and while this is helpful, it still does not solve the problem of automatically selecting the new lines and spaces after the word. For example, if I click the end of a sentence and drag backwards a couple of lines, it will expand the selection to include the new line at the end of the sentence. Likewise, if I select a word and delete it, it deletes an additional space. I am using MS Word 2016, but this applies to all versions over the last 10 to 15 years or so.
Go to File Options, Advanced, under Editing Options, uncheck Checked box, when selecting, automatically select entire word. And checked box, use Smart Paragraph Selection. Edit. You can also disable the settings for copy and pasting. Scroll down to Cut, Copy, and Paste and click Settings. Then uncheck checked box, adjust sentence and word spacing automatically. And checked box, adjust paragraph spacing on paste.
I would have posted this as a comment, but I don't have sufficient reputation frown. As at Daniel.Sedlacek stated, while in Word for Mac 2019, go to the menu bar, click on Word and GT, Preferences and GT, Edit. Uncheck, Select Entire Word when selecting text. Also uncheck, Include Paragraph Mark when selecting paragraphs. This will put an end to Word selecting the extra space at the end of a paragraph when you highlight it going right to left. Alternatively, you could highlight the paragraph going left to right, and it will obey your stopping point.
You can also hold Shift plus Control when selecting text, and this feature will be disabled.
To disable this smart selection for Outlook for Mac, and probably for the whole Microsoft Office suite for macOS, you have to install Microsoft Word and uncheck
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.